Yo, what's good? Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another vlog. We got the new axle. We just got out from motherfucking
Get in the zone.
AutoZone.
AutoZone. But we actually got the new axle. We have warranty, lifetime warranty on the axles. So you already know we got the axle. We're gonna put it on. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on today because I gotta go buy some stuff for the brand. But I'll see you in a couple. Yo, we got to the crib, gang. Y'all already know we got the axle, new fresh axle. So as most of y'all know, on the past vlog I said I was gonna go big camber again on the front, so that's what we actually did. We went big ass camber on the front. I gotta put the car down so you can notice the difference. But we got here to the crib, fucking transmission oil everywhere. Yo, gang, it's the next day. So today I was catching some
Good shit.
you know what I'm saying. I don't gotta say no. I don't gotta say much. That nigga flying right there. Dile algo al blog.
Subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share.
Y'all heard the man. Well, actually, bro, today we're gonna mount the axle. Yesterday, if you saw earlier on the vlog, I picked up the new axle with the homie. Today we're gonna install that bitch. I hope that today we're gonna have the car on the ground again with the new front camber again. So we're on our way. I'm gonna go pick up a brake cleaner bottle and new tie rods. So y'all already know we're on our way. Yo, gang, so we got to the crib. We got the new axle. We about to put this hoe in. I think we're gonna see the car with the new setup on the front today, on the ground. So y'all already know I'm gonna put some work. I'm gonna put the axle in. Let me show you the. We also got the terminals. I mean the auto tie rods. We had to go stock again because if we're doing camber, I'm gonna explain it after I finish putting everything in. See you in a little bit. Bruh, axle is in, if you can see, but it started raining as usual, bro. Puerto Rico weather. This shit got me fucked up. Yo, gang, a whole day working on the car. Car is officially on the ground. Hella cambered, bro. I'm not gonna, bro. I actually installed the new throttle cable. New axle is in. So y'all already know, bro. I'm gonna move the car and all that shit. I gotta clean all this mess. But car is back on the ground just like that. A couple days after the broken axle. Yo gang, I'm not gonna cap. The car, since you saw the car on the ground, me moving the car, it's been 2 days, bro, since I picked up the camera. Why? Bro, it's been raining crazy. And I don't have like a canopy or some shit to work on the car while it's raining. So I just been, bro, editing this blog, working on the brand, taking orders outside. So, bro, car looks amazing, bro. I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of the car. This shit looks insane. I'm pretty, bro. I was earlier on the blog. I said I was gonna explain about the outer tie rods. So basically, bro, when I took camber out on the past blogs, I actually took all the camber out from the upper, the camber plate, and I didn't realize that my car has extended lowers almost 2 inches. I think it's 1.25 inches, but it's extended a lot. So you know what I'm saying. So if you extend the lower way too much and don't apply camber from the top hat, the axle is gonna come out because you're pushing the wheel from down from the control arm. So basically, bro, we're back to -20. I mean, I don't know if it's -20. I gotta check. We're running around -20/18 on the fronts. Rears are super good. So right now it's sitting like at 15, 16, 17 around, because you can notice. But now that the car has way more camber on the front, you can notice the difference. Sheesh. Nah, but that's just -20 or 18, no cap. Bro, this shit looks motherfucking Breton pulled up right here, nigga. Yo, so I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls real quick, bro. This shit looks, bro, I know I said I wanted to run less camber, but I can't lie, bro. I love the way the car looks, bro. Yo, I'm gonna drop the B-rolls. Fuck it. Yo gang, so this vlog is gonna end up right here. We didn't had outside content on this one. We was just fixing the problem with the axle, doing the front fitment again. Bro, this shit looks perfect, bro. It's basically, bro, I wish you could like admire on person, because this shit looks nuts on person. Like, yo, but yeah, this vlog is gonna end up right here. We didn't had outside content. We was fixing the axle, doing the fitment, dialing the fenders again. So everything is back on. New throttle cable on the car, new axle, new outer tie rod. So car is back outside. I actually gonna, on the next vlog, bro, we're gonna be mobbing deep with the homies finally again, because the last setup, it was basically me testing if the car you know what I'm saying? I was testing a different fitment. So we're back in -20. Comment down below what do you think about this setup, bro? This setup looks way more aggressive than the -11 on fender lip that I had before on the last block. So yeah, man, bro, I'm here looking at the car. Y'all already know, bro. I don't. You see, it looks insane. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, bro, I'll be saying this on all my blogs. Comment down below anything, bro. That shit really motivates me to keep pushing on the blogs, you know what I'm saying? So leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like I said again, comment, bro. Sometimes I don't even look at the views or be looking at the likes. I'll be just looking at the comments. That shit pumps me up to wake up as another day and make another blog. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.